Hi Roger, Abs here from Burton Chevrolet Buick GMC in Whitewater. Just giving you a quick video on our 2020 GMC Canyon Denali. This vehicle only has 5,000 miles on it. We did sell it here brand new. I took it in on trade for my customer. Just needed to downsize from 2 vehicles to 1. Only reason he traded in, truck is incredibly clean. See, tires are brand new on it, no wheel rash or anything like that on the wheels. Has a towing package, rear parking sensors. Does have the aluminum roll-up tonneau cover on it for extra security. Vehicle is still certified, so you still get the remainder of the factory warranty, and you still get the GM certified warranty on top of that as well. You do get 2 free maintenance visits, oil change and tire rotations. On the inside here, you do have your remote start, heated seats and cooled seats, upgraded navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see right here along with your backup camera. It does have your climate control here. You see the heated seats are on right now. USB ports for all your charging devices, lane deviation warnings. Do you have your forward collision sensors and your heated steering wheel here? There's dash there. Four-wheel